The throttle on my Echo 580T backpack blower gets stuck in the full position and won't return to idle. It's a small metal piece attached to the carberetor that won't flip back when I let go of the trigger.
When did you last clean or perform maintenance on your Echo tool or machine? How old is it?
It is 3 years old and I cleaned it yesterday. The problem still exists.
How long has this been going on with your Echo? What have you tried so far?
4 days. I tried to adjust the throttle cable and I took the carburetor off, cleaned it in a little mechanism, then put it back together to have the same issue. As I said, the throttle gets stuck in the full position and will not return to idle.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
I don't think so.
Hi, I will be glad to try to help you. I am sorry that you are having this issue. Most likely the problem is in the throttle cable itself. These things sometimes get sticky or bent and then to not let the cable move freely. You will most likely have to install a complete new throttle cable. Also, sometimes the carburetor roller inside the carburetor gets worn or even lost when it is cleaned. And then it will not allow the throttle shaft and shutter to move freely. In this case, you most likely will have to replace the carburetor. Sometimes you can find these replacement carburetors on Amazon or eBay for a really cheap price. I hope this information has been helpful to you. If you need any more help with this, you can contact me here at this question. Feel free to send me a bonus if you feel I have been particularly helpful. Thank you.
I had the problem before I removed the carburetor, so it is most likely the throttle cable itself. I was hoping that it would be a quick fix, but you confirmed my suspicions. Thank you.
It most likely is the cable, but the roller inside the carburetor many times just wears out and gets a flat spot on it. Then it sticks and won't move freely. I suggest replacing the cable first, and if that doesn't fix it, then order the carburetor. Thank you. If you need any more help with this, you can contact me here at this question. Feel free to send me a bonus if you feel I have been particularly helpful. Thank you.
The machine is not very old and does not get overused. I appreciate the suggestion and will look into that possibilities.
Thank you.
This was all done via text messaging. I see no need to answer your email.
Sorry, I did not send an email. It must have come from an automated message center. Just ignore it.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.